Welcome to our module on goal setting. Here, we'll discuss why setting clear, achievable goals is crucial for navigating the college admissions process. We'll cover how to set SMART goals, the importance of short-term versus long-term objectives, and how to adapt your goals as you grow. Learn to turn your aspirations into actionable steps. Here's why goal setting matters in college admissions. Goal setting isn't just about dreaming big. It's about making those dreams a reality. To begin, they offer direction. Goals give you a clear path forward, helping you prioritize your time and focus your efforts. They provide checkpoints to keep you motivated, especially when the admissions process gets tough. There's also measurability. Goals allow you to track progress, see what's working, and adjust your approach as needed. I want you to be familiar with the SMART goals framework for effective goal setting. The S is specific. Vague goals lead to vague results. Instead of, I want to do well in school, say, I aim to achieve a 3.8 GPA this semester. M is measurable. How will you know if you achieved your goal? If your goal is to improve your writing, set a target like write and submit 3 essays to literary contests. A for achievable. While ambition is good, setting goals within reach ensures you don't set yourself up for failure. If you're aiming for top colleges, make sure your academic and extracurricular profile supports this. R is for relevant. Your goal should align with your ultimate aim of getting into college. If your dream is to study engineering, your goals might include mastering calculus or joining a robotics club. T for time-bound. Deadlines create urgency. I will complete my college applications by November 1st gives you a clear timeline to work with. Then there is short-term versus long-term goals. Short-term goals, these are stepping stones. Examples could include finishing my college essay draft by next week, improve my SAT score by 100 points in the next 2 months. Long-term goals are your destination goals. Get accepted to one of my top 3 choice colleges, secure enough scholarships to cover half my tuition. Remember, you can always adapt your goals. The college admissions process is dynamic, and these next 3 steps will keep you on track. First is reevaluation. Regularly assess if your goals are still relevant as you learn more about yourself and the admissions landscape. Second is flexibility. If one goal becomes unattainable, adapt. Maybe you didn't make the debate team, but you can aim to lead a different club. Third is learning from setbacks. Sometimes not achieving a goal can teach you more than success. Use these moments to set new and more informed goals. Setting goals is not just about the destination. It's about the journey of growth and learning. Here's what to do next. Sit down and write out your SMART goals for the next academic year. Break them down into monthly or quarterly targets. Review your goals regularly, adjusting as necessary based on your progress and changes in your aspirations. In our next module, we'll introduce our proprietary software which can help you manage these goals and keep you on track. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.